Hey everyone! Hope everyone's doing great. Today I'm showing you how to make brown butter and sage pasta with mushrooms and spinach. You'll need 6 tablespoons of salted butter, half an ounce of sage leaves, 8 ounces of mushrooms, 8 ounces of penne pasta, 8 ounces of spinach, 2 fresh lemons, and 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt. In a large skillet over medium heat, melt the butter, add the sage leaves, and allow to brown for about 5 minutes. Don't forget to subscribe for more updates on my YouTube channel. Like, share, love. Thank you. Now add in the mushrooms. Allow the mushrooms to sweat down and shrink. Add the spinach and saute for about 5 minutes until it's cooked thoroughly. Sprinkle sea salt and 1 juice of a lemon. Then turn off your stove. In a separate saucepan, follow the instructions on your penne pasta's box and cook your pasta. Once your penne pasta is cooked, you will add it to your brown butter, sage, and mushroom spinach skillet. Turn on your stove on low heat and using your tongs, toss everything, making sure it is all mixed in. Add in another juice of a lemon, mix around, and enjoy.